What's up, YouTube? It's your boy JB here. And hey guys, there's this dude named Chris Sain. I was blown away by what he did. And if you don't know who he is, he went from 0 to 100k in 12 months on his Robinhood account. Ridiculous. And he actually revealed every single one of his picks. And I was so inspired by that I actually want to follow his challenge this year. He's doing the same thing. And I'll be following him and actually doing the 100k challenge myself based on his picks. So I'm about to dive into my computer real quick and go down his portfolio and all the ones that he has set for 2021, and that way we can go ahead and buy in starting today actually. And then every week I'm going to be revealing how my stocks are performing, and you guys can follow along as well. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. You don't want to miss this. This is incredible. And again, yeah, blown away by Chris Sain. I'll actually leave a link down in the description below so you guys can check out his channel. Really ridiculous how he went about doing it. His methodology is on point. And Chris Sain, hey man, I salute you. And yeah, I can't wait to get this thing started, man. And we're gonna start off with $500 investing in a specific stock that he has listed out for us. And then we'll move forward from there on out. But without further ado, I'm gonna stop talking. Let's get into it. So here we are, guys, for the rules of the game, the Chris Sain 100k challenge. And what we're going to be doing, guys, you've already gave me a list, and we'll go through that here in a second, of his whole entire portfolio, where we can pick and choose from. And then what we're going to do is we're going to spend $500 in our Robinhood account to purchase one of these plays. And it could go up as we go through the whole entire year to $1,000. It could be $2,000 one day as well. So it's gonna fluctuate, but to start off, I'm gonna spend $500, and I'm gonna show you what stock I'm gonna invest in first, and then after that, we're gonna just be using only Chris Sain picks. Again, like, these won't be any of the things that I want to pick out at all whatsoever. Again, this is strictly based on what he's picking in his challenge as well. Again, the link to his channel is down below in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to him so you can follow along. That way you know that I'm doing what he says, and I'm not trying to like listen to what Wall Street has to say by any means. So third thing is build up each position to 125 shares minimum, and I'm gonna do my best to do that throughout the whole entire thing. And so for example, if there's, let's say, Neo, if I want to dive into Neo, I want to make sure that I have 125 shares minimum of Neo by the end of X amount of time that he has slotted, and so on and so on. But yeah, what I'm trying to do is accumulate 125 shares minimum of each stock. But again, I only have $500 starting out, and then let's say I could only buy 95 shares of a particular stock, and then I'll just wait until the following 2 weeks to make sure I fulfill the 125 minimum shares of that stock, and then I'll move on to the next, if that makes any sense. The buy zone, I'm only going to buy in the certain buy zones that Chris Sain says on his channel during the episode. So if it goes over a certain price, I'm not going to buy in it at all whatsoever. I have to wait until he says, like, hey, buy it now, or wait till it reaches below this certain price, and then I'll purchase it. And then I'm only going to hold on to the stock until he tells me to sell it. I'm not going to sell before that or sell after that. As soon as he says sell it, I'm going to sell it as well. So again, this is strictly based on what he's saying, and it's just not, I have like no stock experience whatsoever. I'm not a financial advisor. I should definitely say that as well. But yeah, so I'm just gonna be following him step by step of how to go about doing this. And again, I was blown away by his campaign that he did, or his 100k challenge that he did last year, from going 0 to 100 is pretty insane. And again, also inspired, I wanted to do this. And then this whole thing again ends 12/1/31 of this year. And as of right now, I do have some stocks right now in my Robinhood account, and just take note of that balance. That way you guys can know, just deduct 53, 82, 73 from my account as we move forward. So that way you guys can tell the growth and how much money I'm truly making by 12/31 of this year. So let's go ahead and dive into his portfolio. And so his picks, he has about, I don't know if I think he has 25. So the ones highlighted in yellow are the ones that I already have. I've had before this thing even started, before I even knew about Chris Sain. But so Revolve Group, Neo, Uber, Canopy Growth, Starbucks, Disney, AMD, Apple, Facebook, Microsoft, Nike, Tesla, At Home, Plug Power, Switchback Energy, DraftKings, Fuel Cell Energy, Morgan Stanley, Hyliion, Apex Technology. Buy zone is at 15, or like it could be 1536, 1597, long as it's not above or at 16. Macy's, keep same thing with that price range of 11. American Airlines, Carnival, Wells Fargo, Walgreens, Bank of America, Dropbox, Golden Nugget Online Gaming, which used to be LCA, if you guys know. The buying zone on that is 20. And he has Airbnb, so what he's doing is he put a limit order in at $99, so when it drops to $99, he'll purchase it then. But right now he feels like it's too expensive at the moment, and he thinks that it's gonna drop, so like you just never know. But a lot of these plays are kind of expensive, aka Tesla and Facebook right now. So what I'll be doing is starting out, if it's like $20 or less, start out with those, then I can build out my 125 shares really quickly on those, and then if I want to, go with the big dogs. But as of right now, the ones that are like 30 or 20 or below, primarily 20 or below, I'm gonna start out first and then build my way up. That way when I sell the ones that are 20s, I'll flip it, and then I'll end up buying the other plays that are higher priced if it's in the right buy zone. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use my $500 to go ahead and try to buy up the rest of Carnival right now. And so once that fills up to 125 shares, I'll probably move on to American, and then probably Hyliion after that. So I'm going to show you Robinhood again what my account balance is right now. I'll refresh it. So you guys know I'm not playing around. So 532.82.73. 532.82.73. So that's where you guys know I'm not joking about this. So these are my stocks that I have in my portfolio right now. Some of these are, for example, high dividend yield, like this one is. Crestwood Equity, and it's sitting at, let's see, the dividend yield is 12.89% at the moment, but and total return of 191. So pretty solid so far, you know, it's doing all right. But again, we'll be deducting my price or my balance, 53.82.73 as we move forward. And right now I'm going to go ahead and I have a buying power at 694 right now on my account. So I'm going to go ahead and buy some Carnival, which I already have right now. I think I have a little bit of Carnival right now. Let's see, only 10 shares. So again, what I'm going to try to do is hit 125 and then move on to the next. Let's see, move down. I actually got my first call option with Carnival as well. But anyway, yeah, guys, I'm going to purchase this right now. 500. At 21.69. Going to buy that. Done. So I went ahead and purchased $500 worth of Carnival, and once again, once I build it back up to another 500 in 2 weeks, I'm gonna buy some more and then keep just doing that until I hit my 125, and then we'll move on. Well, yeah, guys, that's it for this episode. So if you like what I was putting down today, if you want to follow along, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell while you're at it. Give your boy that thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.